Hi, my name's Michelle Booten, and the date is 9/15/19. Hello, everyone. Nice to meet you. I just wanted to start off with where I live. I currently live in Lewiston, Maine, but I work in Westbrook, Maine, at a psychiatric hospital called Spring Harbor. I work there as a psychiatric technician, which is kind of like an ER tech or CNA, but obviously I work at a psych hospital, so I'm called a psychiatric technician. I do a lot of direct patient care work, and I've gained a lot of experience through working at this wonderful facility, so I'm very grateful for getting to work there for the past 3.5 years now. Um, so moving on from my job, for my hobbies, something fun that I like to do. If you ever heard of Bob Ross and the landscapes that he does, I like to do a lot of painting like that. I definitely am not on the same scale as Bob Ross, but I really enjoy it. And that's kind of how I learned how to do it, was watching his videos. If you haven't heard of him, check him out on Netflix. A little cool thing to watch. I also like to work out a lot. It's a big stress reliever for me. I'm up to running 8 miles without stopping. Hopefully, I'll be able to achieve a half marathon by next year. That's my goal. And I also like to do a lot of weight training, so heavy weightlifting, which is very cool and kind of pretty empowering. So I highly recommend that. Also, just working out in general, like I said, big stress reliever for me. And I guess moving on to my family. I have three older sisters. Most of my family live in Maine. One lives in Arizona, which is really cool. I get to visit her quite often. Most of us also work in the healthcare field. My father's a nurse who also works where I work. My two oldest sisters, one of them is going to be a nurse practitioner. The other one works in medical coding, but is currently a CNA. And like I said, I'm a psychiatric technician. Um, so yeah, that's pretty much it for my family. And we're all very close, so it's nice that we mostly all live here in the state of Maine. So I get to see them a lot. Moving on to, am I a student full time? I was just about a year and a half ago. That's when I graduated from undergrad. I am currently not a full-time student. I had to take this course and organic chemistry as prerequisite courses for my grad program that I just got accepted into. So sliding into that. I just recently got accepted into Massachusetts College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences Physician Assistant Program, and I will be based in Manchester, New Hampshire, and I will be doing that for 2 years. No breaks. It's considered a fast-paced kind of version of the program. So I'm very excited about that. So I had to get this course done before I could start my program in January 2020. Um, so yeah, so hopefully I'll get everything done in time. I'm kind of right on track. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for me. Um, Thank you guys for listening. I hope you have a good day.